Are you a beginner nail tech and you're after getting a kit and you haven't got a clue what this tool does? Well, this tool removes the cuticle really easily. It's very sharp, so be very careful. Slide it up around the cuticle and the cuticle would just peel away with ease. If you want to know how to nail it in your hair and beauty business, you need to follow me. I'm Sarah Nailer because I know what everything does and I can teach you how to use the tools in your kit to be the best nail technician out there. If you're a bored, broke teenager and you want to learn how to do nails, sign up for one of my courses. I teach gel and acrylic nail courses in person in Tala, Dublin 24, or online where I post you out a kit and this tool is included. Follow me for more tips on how to nail it in your hair and beauty business.